Here we are going to discuss about excretory system. This is the last important topic of this lesson. What is excretory system? Why it is essential? And how it runs? All these things we have to discuss under the topic excretory system. As we know, all living organisms are made up of cells, and these cells are working continuously in the form of biochemical reactions. As a result of this biochemical reaction, certain products are there which produce inside the body and which are toxic in nature. This toxic material has to be removed from the body to provide suitable and favorable environment for different chemical reaction or metabolic reactions which are essential for life. So, the removal of waste material, toxic waste material from the body of organism is called excretion, and this excretion takes place with the help of excretory system. Here we will discuss about the process of excretion in plants as well as removal of waste material in case of human beings. In case of human beings, if we talk about waste material, what are the waste material produced inside the body of human beings? For example, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a toxic material, waste material, and must be removed from the body and eliminate from the body during the process of breathing. Already we have discussed this part in the previous classes. Same undigested food material. Undigested food material remove from the body through anus. In digestive system we discussed about all these things. Other is urea. How to remove urea? Urea removed from blood in the process of excretion. In the process of excretion in excretory system with the help of kidney. In case of human beings, different organs are there to remove waste material, like carbon dioxide removed during breathing. So these exchange of gases takes place in lungs, in alveoli. Undigested food material in digestive system, one of the last organ, that is the anus. Urea with the help of kidney in excretory system. In this way, this waste material removed from the body. So here in this topic we have to discuss about excretory system and removal of urea from the blood. Actually, excretory system is running or working in the body for purification of blood. This urea mix with blood, and these certain chemicals, they make blood impure. So to purify blood, the process of excretion is carried out in the body. So we discuss one by one how excretory system is working. Excretory system is composed of pair of kidney. Pair of kidney. Then pair of ureter. A urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. And urethra. All these things are present in excretory system which help to purify blood and remove toxic material in the form of urine. So here we have to discuss about all the parts, how they perform the function for the purpose of excretion and how urine formation takes place. One by one we will discuss all the parts. First we will discuss about kidneys. Where kidneys are located? Kidneys are located in the posterior part of the body, and these kidneys are dark reddish color, bean shaped structure. They are muscular organ. Kidneys are muscular part. These are muscular organ. and having covering of renal fats. In the middle layer is made up of renal fats, which is useful for absorption of fats. On the kidney, here at the top location, adrenal glands are present. That part, that is the endocrine glands that we don't want to discuss here. Simply first we will see the function of kidneys and the role of excretory system. So kidneys are bean-shaped structure, muscular organ located in the posterior region or posterior side of the body. And here these kidneys, pair of kidney means two kidneys are there, and both kidneys are present at the side of spinal cord. Central spinal cord is running, and at each side of spinal cord one kidney is present. Left kidney is slightly upward as compared to right one. So the location of left kidney is, of course, this kidney is considered as a left kidney, and this left kidney is slightly above the red one. The reason is very simple, that right side kidney is praised by liver, and because of that it is slightly at the lower position as compared to left kidney. In kidney, renal artery, from this side, renal artery enters in the kidney. In both kidneys, renal artery enters in kidney, and renal vein comes out from the kidney. This is the renal vein which comes out from the kidney. Renal vein comes out from the kidney and renal artery goes inside the kidney. This region, this is biconcave region. This region, like this is the kidney, and this part, this is the biconcave part, and from here funnel-like structure comes out. Funnel-like structure comes out. This funnel-like structure is called as renal pelvic. It is called as renal pelvis. From renal pelvis, the ureter originates. These are the ureters, pair of ureter. This is renal pelvic funnel-like structure, and from here tubular structure is called as ureter. So these are the two ureter, pair of ureter. These pair of ureter opens in urinary bladder. It opens in urinary bladder. So these two are the pair of ureter. This is left kidney. This is the right side. This is renal vein. This one is renal artery. This is urinary bladder. And this urinary bladder opens in an opening, and this opening is called as urethra. This opening is called as urethra. So this is the structure of excretory system. The process of filtration takes place inside kidney. Process of filtration of blood. This impure blood comes through renal artery, enters in kidney. Process of filtration of blood takes place inside kidney. After process of filtration, the pure blood comes out from kidney, but that blood is deoxygenated one. Pure and deoxygenated, impure and deoxygenated. There is a difference. Impure means mixing of impurities, toxic material is present in blood. And carbon dioxide is present, it means that is deoxygenated. Level of oxygen is very less as compared to carbon dioxide. So here blood is getting filtered in the kidney, and that pure blood but rich with carbon dioxide, that blood goes out of the kidney through this renal vein, and this renal vein opens in vena cava, that we have studied. Inferior vena cava collect blood from lower region of the body. So this renal vein opens in vena cava, and whatever the waste material after filtration, that waste material comes out in the form of urine through this ureter, and this ureter bring that waste material from kidney, that urine from kidney, and store or pass it to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder hold the urine, store the urine till it will get filled with the urine, and as soon as the nervous symptom or nervous impulses receive, neural message receive, then this bladder opens the sphincter present in the urethra, and through urethra it comes out, released from the body. The weight of kidney is approximate weight of kidney is 120 to 140 grams in case of female, whereas 120 to 170 grams in males. That is the approximate weight of the kidney. So in this way, the kidneys are located in the posterior region of the body. At each side of the spinal cord, one kidney is there. Kidney opens in ureter, pair of ureter opens in urinary bladder, and urinary bladder opens in urethra. Now, how the process of filtration of blood takes place inside the kidney? The kidneys are enriched with millions of nephrons. Nephrons are called as excretory unit, and these nephrons help for filtration of blood which are present inside the kidney. That we have to study in the structure of nephron. What is the basic role of kidney? Basic role of kidney is it helps for filtration of blood as well as osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation? Osmoregulation means maintaining the balance of water and ions in the body. Ionic and water level. Balance in the body. So kidney help for maintaining water level as well as ionic level. Balance between water and ionic level in the body. That process is called as osmoregulation. So kidneys are helpful for the process of osmoregulation also. How it helps for maintaining the balance, water balance and ionic balance in the body, that we will see in the structure of nephron. When we will study the structure of nephron, there we will see formation of urine. By that time we come to know how water is maintained and absorbed by the system, and ions are maintained and absorbed by the system. These things we will study in the structure of nephron. So next we will study the structure of nephron.